I'll put tomato here because I will cook something new recipe. Just mix low fire here. Now we'll take out now these 2 tomatoes here. Then we remove some rice here because I will grind this one. I remove skin and then I will grind it. Now we have to remove now this skin. Then we'll put here and we have to grind this one. I marinate this one for 30 minutes and this is chest of chicken, 2 pieces chest of chicken. So I slice like this and I put black pepper powder, salt, pinch of chili powder, and then 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and fresh buffalo milk, half cup of fresh buffalo milk because I cook this chicken curry, so I remove 2 pieces of chest. So I'm going to fry now this one, and this oil is already hot. Now we can cook now this marinated chest. You can fry also chicken wings or chicken legs or any parts of chicken. Now we have to change now this side because one side is already fried. We have to change all sides. Let's saute now chops of or cubes of onions, red onions. And then garlics, organic garlics, mince of organic garlics. I remove some oil here because too much oil where I fry this chicken breast. Now we'll put now this blended or grinded tomatoes. And then we can season with teaspoon of salt, chili powder, and half spoon of sugar. And then some, if you have tomato paste, you can add also, but I don't have tomato paste. So instead of tomato paste, I use ketchup. No more also ketchup I have. Yeah. Now we can add now this fried chicken breast. So this is already cooked.